Hello students. So now we will discuss some more questions based on the writing or drawing the structure of the major product. Okay. Now let us discuss the first two bits. Again, all these questions are also from NCERT. The first bit is you have a cyclohexanol. You have a cyclohexanol and in presence of thionyl chloride, pyridine and heat. Cyclohexanol, thionyl chloride, pyridine and heat. You know it very well. OH will be replaced by chlorine. Okay. OH will be replaced by chlorine. Okay. Any aliphatic alcohol or cyclic alcohol in presence of thionyl chloride, pyridine and heat, the alcohol will be replaced by chlorine. But remember, this reaction will never happen in case of benzene. Only a cycloalkane or a straight chain alkane with alcoholic group. It will never happen with benzene, remember that. Now come to bit number 2. Okay, we have taken this compound bromine, heat and light. Now it will be free radical halogenation, or in this case I can say free radical bromination. Now free radical bromination, where does it happen? Now if you have a secondary carbon and a primary carbon, the bromine will attach to the secondary carbon. Okay. If you have a secondary carbon and a tertiary carbon in an alkane, the bromine or the halogen will attach at the secondary carbon. Okay, if you have a tertiary, secondary and primary, so bromine or the halogen will attach at the tertiary carbon. In this case, you have secondary and primary carbon. This is your secondary carbon, this is your primary carbon. So bromine will attach at the secondary carbon. Okay, so the answer will be at the secondary carbon we attach a bromine, here hydrogen. Okay, since bromine is attached here, to maintain the tetravalency one hydrogen was removed. Okay, bromine is attached at the secondary carbon and one of the hydrogen is removed from there to maintain the tetravalency, and hence is your answer. Now let us do next two types of question. Next question is bit 3. Again we take benzene, here OH, here CH2OH. Now you give HCl and heat. Bit 4 is okay. Let us do these two bits. Let us do bit number 3 first. Bit number 3, there are two types of alcohol. One OH group directly attached to benzene, another OH is indirectly attached, not directly attached. Now OH will be replaced by chlorine, but which OH? The OH attached directly to benzene or the OH attached to a carbon, or you can say OH attached indirectly to benzene. Which one will be replaced? So remember, this cannot be replaced the OH attached directly to benzene cannot be replaced because it is a stronger bond. This OH and benzene will form a stronger bond. It will develop a double bond character. So this bond will become stronger. So that is why this will be replaced, and hence your answer will be, I am writing it here, benzene, this OH as it is, and that CH2OH, the OH will be replaced, and hence is your answer. Because this OH with benzene, it will form a stronger double bond. So it will be difficult to break this bond. Okay, that is why this will be replaced. Now come to the the fourth bit. Now again Markovnikov addition, where the it will be attached to that carbon of the double bond which has lesser number of hydrogen. This has no hydrogen, you observe this carbon. Let us say carbon number 1, carbon number 2. Carbon number 1 has no hydrogen. Double bond, one bond here. 4 bonds. So no hydrogen in carbon number 1. But carbon number 2 has 1 hydrogen. So the halogen will attach to that carbon which has lesser hydrogen. Markovnikov addition. So yes, and double bond will be converted into single bond. Okay, so here the iodine is attached. You can see at carbon number 1 which has no hydrogen. Okay, iodine is attached to that carbon which has no hydrogen, carbon number 1. Alright, now we will go for the next question. You complete writing this. Last two bits we will solve. Okay, so I hope you have written. Now the last two bits let us solve. Bit 5, which 5 is very easy. CH3 CH2 Br with NaI, acetone and heat. Now what will be the product? You see, any alkyl chloride or bromide, in presence of sodium iodide, acetone and heat, okay, what will happen? The chloride or bromide will be replaced by iodine. The chlorine or bromine will be replaced by iodine, and this is a very famous reaction. Yes, you know it correctly. Finkelstein reaction. Okay, Finkelstein reaction. So bromine will be replaced by iodine. So you will get an alkyl iodide. So product will be this. Okay, ethyl iodide. Alright. Now let us go to the last bit number 6. Here you have a cyclohexene, not hexane. In a cyclic compound, double bond is there. With presence of bromine, heat or light. Remember, here bromine will attach at the allylic position. Which one is the allylic position? Number 3 position. Number 3 position is your allylic position. The carbon, okay, the carbon at the next to double bond. Alright, the carbon next to double bond is called your, just next to the double bond is called your allylic carbon. Here is your double bond, here is another carbon at 3 position. The carbon just next to the double bond is allylic carbon. So here the bromine will attach at the allylic position. Double bond will not be affected. Only the bromine will attach at the allylic position, carbon number 3. This is called as allylic halogenation. Allylic or allylic halogenation. So this is all about your predicting the structure of the major product. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much.